Good morning. This is Max with High Camp. Well, this is for the lone woodsman. He made a video for me, showed me how to build a bushcraft chair. So now I'm out in the forest and I'm going to try to build one myself. Got my 3 logs for the tripod. I'm going to do that first, and not going to be a lot of video with this, but it's going to be some still photos of my steps through the process. So stick around. Okay, the tripod is built. Not the greatest lashing I've ever seen, but it seems to be good and tight. So, on to cutting the seat braces. And now my seat braces are cut, and now I got to get on with tying those off. So stand by again. Well, there's the frame. I know I didn't get my lashings right on the seat work or the seat supports, but just can't remember how you did them there, woodsman. But I gotta go cut my seat pieces now. Here it is, sit down test, the butt drop. Not bad for first time. I didn't put a backrest on it because I got to take this apart before I leave the forest, because it's a national forest. You can't leave any permanent structures in it, so it's got to come apart. But my God, it is comfy. So, lone woodsman, there you go. I did it. Don't know if I did the lashings right. I did it. Hey everybody, that's it for this one. All packed up. Chairs tore down. Everything's secured, all trash packed up, ready to go back. So, again, that's it for this time. This is Max with High Camp. Bye for now.